Today I will be going to talk to you about the important national parks of important national parks. So let me tell you something, that don't stress too much about remembering the national parks. Just try to read or try to remember these national parks during the time when you take break out of your main course of syllabus, which you're studying GS in your GS for your mains. So when you take the break after 2 hours or after 1 hour, whatever according to you, and try to read, try to take it as an amusement, reading these national parks in the course of time. All right, so let's begin the topic. Right, so there are basically 5 important national parks are there in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So those are Salim National Park, those are the Salim National Park, and Kazinag National Park, Dagchigam National Park, Kishtiwar National Park, and Hemis National Park. Right, 4 of the national parks are situated or located in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, and 1 national park is located in the Ladakh. So we'll discuss it one after one. Okay, so first we'll discuss the national park which are located in the Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. Right, okay, so the number 1 is the Salim Ali National Park. So Salim Ali National Park is also known as the City Forest National Park. Okay, and it is located in the Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. And habitations, what are the habitations in this national park? Those are famous for Kashmiri stag, and Kashmiri stag is also the state animal of the Jammu and Kashmir, right? And others are also the musk deer, Himalayan black bear are also found in this national park. Vegetation of this national park is coniferous alpine type. Okay, so vegetation is coniferous alpine type. Right, so the next national park is the Dagchigam National Park. Dagchigam National Park, the name itself, it commemorates the 10 village. Actually, in the memory of the 10 village that were relocated for the formation of the park, of the national park, which is the Dagchigam National Park, right? And it lies between the Pir Panjal. It lies between the Pir Panjal and the Great Himalayan Range, right? And you see, this is the location of the Dagchigam National Park, and this is the Himalayan Range, and this above it is the Pir Panjal Himalayan Range. Okay, so this two, between these two, Dagchigam National Park is located. Now, the vegetations of this national park is coniferous forest of a broad leaf species. Right, animals which are found in this national park are the musk deer, Himalayan sero, wild goat, and also Kashmiri stag are also found. But primarily understand that Kashmiri stag is primarily found in the Salim Ali National Park. All right, so the rivers located in the Dagchigam National Parks are the Dagwan River, which originates from the Marsar Lake and drowns into the Dal Lake. Okay, so I hope you might have heard about Dal Lake a couple of times in the news also. Right, so the next national park is the Kishtiwar National Park, which is right here. And Kishtiwar National Park lies in the central crystalline belt of the Himalaya, and the river which flows through to this Kishtiwar National Parks are Kiar, Nath, and Kibar River flows from the north to the southwest, from north to the southwest direction, okay, and merges into the Marwar River and further joins the Chenab River. So you could say Kiar, Nath, and Kibar rivers are the tributaries of the Chenab River, just above the Kishtiwar town. Right, so the habitations which are found in this national parks are the flagship animals of this parks are the Himalayan snowcock and the brown bear, right? And the vegetations are the coniferous alpine type. Okay, so this is about the Kishtiwar National Park. Now the next and the last national park, which sorry, I think this is the next one, right? Okay, next is the Kazinag National Park. Since I said I will be discussing first the national park located in the Jammu and Kashmir, right? So the last national park in Jammu and Kashmir is the Kazinag National Park. This is established after the Kargil War to conserve the markhor. Markhor is an animal, right? And see, it is situated on the northern bank of the Jhelum River, close to the line of control in Baramulla district, right? Habitations found in this national parks are the famous for markhor and the Himalayan musk deer. Right, this is all you need to know, nothing more, nothing less. All right, and the last national park, or one national park which we are going to discuss about, which is located on the Union Territory of Ladakh, is the Hemis National Park. Hemis National Park is located in Ladakh, and it lies in the rain shadow region. So what's the meaning of the rain shadow region is that it means that you see this mountain, right? So on the southern side, or you could say on the southern side of this national park, there is a mountain, and in the southern side there is a cloud, and when the cloud rain used to there is a rainy area in this side. If the rain falls in this area, then the other side of the mountain is a shadow region of the rain, right? So which means it's a dry region. So that's why the vegetation of the Hemis National Park is the dry subalpine forest. Understood? So next is the habitations. Okay, habitations is it's famous for the snow leopard. And rivers, very important. River to this national park, north of this national park, Indus River flows. Okay, north of this Hemis National Park, Indus River flows. So this is important. So this is all about the national parks in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So study well and see you soon.